Bro, I started watching this show like a couple of weeks ago. The Walking Dead is intense. Very much intense. Hey guys, so this is a wig that I had got. It is 26 inches and it does stretch down to 26 inches. All the information you want to know about this is in the description. Now for the color, I got 3 colors of the Hicolor Magenta, 2 of the 20 developer, and we're gonna mix that shit together. Okay, so this is how the wig is looking. If you guys have ever seen the show Wentworth, this hair color, like just sitting like this, reminds me of her so much, of B. That, oh my gosh, that color. And if you know her by her nickname was Red. It's mostly red, like along the bottom pieces, and then towards the top it like is getting to like a blackish red. Now also, while coloring the hair was tingling up a lot, and I did not really like that. So yeah, everything else is just fine. I mean, it's not the bright red, the shebang I wanted it to be, but it's still cute. This actually came with the wig, so that was kind of clutch, even though I did buy one on Amazon. Yo, I be seeing girls do this and then they cut out exactly what they need, but I'm just gonna put it down above my glasses because I don't really believe in going across my mouth. I don't really think that's safe. This is where I actually got the hair from. I got it on Amazon to come, you know, a little bit quicker because I was a little bit late on buying my hair. Anyways, I got it from this company, and then it came with some lashes. Highly doubt I'm going to use the lashes, but it came with some lashes. My nails are dyed, not painted, just to let you know. And this little baggie, I got this off of Amazon. This came with this, a little brush, another cap, an Amazon gift card, and then my Ghost Bond. Too much glue, so I didn't put too much glue. I just literally dotted it and put it on there. So now I'm gonna, how girls do this with this thing over their eyes? Lot of mercy. Actually need to cut a hole in my ears. So guys, this is how I'm basically checking to see if it's dry, by going in with this little comb and then like pushing up closest to the edge. I'm not a professional here. This was the best I could do. I put my glasses on because I can't see shit at all. So, I'm going to tie this thing at the back so it can be tightened. Don't know how to sew, so that's the best I got. Okay, so this is what the wig looks like. Now, I know you guys see like that right there. Head. Oh, my head. We're gonna put this on my head and fit it to my circumference of my dome. Circumference of my head right now, this shit's a little bit big. You can't see it until I'm done. I'm looking crusty, so I want him to see me looking like a bad bitch. Period. Lace for me. Yes, babe.
Sorry.
Get skin out of this hole. So, I was learning how to do wigs and stuff, and I was like, how the heck do they do that thing behind the ear?
There's a show called C that has the same.
This forehead piece don't match my forehead at all. So and that was including like the forehead and everything like that. Like, we're gonna do the ball cap method, and I don't really know how they do it, but I'm gonna put some loose foundation. Okay, now we're gonna take the bonbon glue. I'm not a professional, so please do not take my tips. These are tips that I found on Instagram, Twitter, all that shabash. So dot the glue, not paste it. You're supposed to dot the glue, and then we're gonna dot. Wait, am I supposed to put this on my forehead, or I'm supposed to put this on the cap? Get the blow dryer, and we're gonna do this 2 more times. Okay? Okay. I will be back in about a couple of minutes. I didn't do my edges because you guys can see my edges right here. And I also did not glue this part down. Like I said, I'm gonna do that last. Once again, I don't know what I'm doing. Alright, so one thing I am going to say about this wig, I don't like the way the knots look. The knots are very, very dark. I bleached them because I didn't want to ruin the closure. Not the closure, the frontal, but just to show you guys what I was talking about with the knots. If you guys can see this, look how dark those knots are. Powder onto the lace at the front, but you know, it looks a lot better. It doesn't really look too light, and I like that. The only part that really looks light is the part, which is good because your scalp is naturally lighter than your head.
It's by DJ Music.
About that,